Hanson's Aggregate. We're doing a job up here, clearing a bunch of brush. www.atreesurgeon.com, bringing you another video. This is a full-on rock quarry processing plant. Big loader right there. Loaders everywhere. Asphalt, DG, crushed rock, sand, you name it. There's the job site where the trees are. This is where we're dumping all our wood chips. Right there. There's all the wood chips.
He just has some of it.
Which guy runs your company? That guy right there?
See that uke straight ahead? That's the one we're removing. And then a bunch of other brush. Hanson's power plant, concrete. www.atreesurgeon.com. We're out here at the Hanson's concrete plant, and we got a lot of work going on here. We got the big chipper, forestry truck. Got another truck, trailer over there. And that's set up for the other tractor that's hiding behind there. We're moving some concrete pillars right now. Got some part of the crew over here getting this done. Got about 10 or 12 guys out here on this job. There's 4 or 5 more actually over on the other side. Another guy in the bucket truck waiting to back up, get this pile done. So as soon as these concrete pillars are moved, we'll go ahead and chip up all this brush. And up the slope to the sumac up there that you see. This is tree service at its finest. This was an emergency call yesterday for Hanson's concrete plant, and we're out the next day with a large crew getting it done. That's just what we do. We just knock things out, we get it done, and we're always on time, and we're there when we say we're going to be there. So be sure to give us a call at 619-381-0763, and we'll handle all your tree service needs. Demolition, hauling, grading, anything you need. We're general contractors. We're tree contractors. C27, B1, D49, you name it, we got it. And we got engineers on staff as well. Moving right along, we're almost there. We're almost there, ready to, we got to pull out that last A concrete right there. A concrete, A tree surgeon. You got it. AAA quality. Quick little update. www.atreesurgeon.com. What we have here is a nice massive little job going on out at the Hanson concrete plant. Guys are getting it done. We're gonna blow through this job in a day. $7,000 job in a day. We make it happen like nothing. We got all the equipment, all the manpower. And most of all, the tenacity, the will, the want. This is what we do every day. Keep you updated on the job. They're crawling like ants around here. Just an army, non-stop. The eyes of the tractor. www.atreesurgeon.com. The boys chipping away. Here we are giving you an update, moving right along through this job. Tree Surgeon Tree Services and tree removal. Getting down and dirty out here at the Hanson Concrete Recycling Plant. Moving about 150 trees here today. It's another day in the office with a tree surgeon, specializing in tree trimming, tree removal, stump removal, brush clearing, you name it. A to Z, we got you covered. Big little operation. Actually, if you need something more, we'll give you 30 guys. It don't matter. We just get her done. Got the little Cat 226B just out there muscling it. Whoop whoop. Just getting her done. Pepe Le Pew. Pepe just getting busy. Working that thing. Got the grapple. What a lifesaver. twisted, but it beats shagging the brush from all the way other end of the ravine there. We're going to chip those big logs too, like nothing, like butter. Although the blades are a little dull today. Got to flip those puppies. Smack it and flip it. These guys are just having a good old time. It's just what we do. Everyone loves what they do too. We like to work hard, play hard. Up. Fill up about 7 yards, about 20-30 minutes, about 20 minutes tops. This is a tree surgeon, Tree Services, knocking this job out. It's almost done. It's almost a final video here. We got Cat, Vermeer, GMCs, Dion International, Stills, lots of Still chainsaws, Husqvarnas, lots of great equipment here. A tree surgeon at the Hanson's aggregate plant. Cement, concrete, rock crushing, you name it. This is a tree surgeon. Just on the job site here. Kind of finishing up the job here. Gotta head back around. Pretty cool, pretty neat. Lots of conveyor belts and dozers and semis. Just big boy toys around here, that's about it. I'm heading back over to the job site. You might have saw the boom boom truck over there in the distance. Bam, there it is, way over there. Well, that's where we're heading, because that's where the job's ending up right now. As we speak, they're just muscling the last tree branches there. Wow, that's a lot of concrete. Lots of concrete to crush and recycle. This guy wants to race here. Anyhow, look at all that asphalt. That's what they make asphalt with. Lots of cool stuff. DG. Sand right there. Bam. Be sure to check out all the videos. I'm trying to put some cool stuff together here. This was a big job, a 9-man job. We busted out in less than 8 hours on site. Here's the crew, just getting ready to finish, and they have it all done. Job's done. Job's all done. Everything's groomed and done. Done, done, diddy, done, done.